This morning I'm down at the lakes on the Horsley Drive, Bankstown City Council, and I'm going to take you for a quick walk around here. It's quite a nice area. I mean, yeah, I wouldn't drink the water out of the lake, but I've got to show you this colony of bin chickens. Don't know how they allowed it, but I just seen a crow steal one of their eggs. It was pretty fantastic, eh? They just didn't care.
One shot, two shots, I'm drunk, who's not? I just wanna make you feel alive. One drink, two drinks, bottoms up, don't think. I just wanna lose myself tonight. And I know I'ma regret it in the morning. I just don't care now. I just wanna keep it going till the morning, or at least until I'm face down, blacked out, 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 blacked out.
Here we are. The boys have just gone to collect some wood. I've just split the biggest round that I've ever done. I should have recorded it, but I forgot. Well, when they get back, we're going to cook up some dinner and then probably call it a night. Oh, that log took it out of me. Taking you around my camp. Sleeping inside the trailer tonight, not on top of it. Quick, get the sunnies on. Camera's rolling.
At midnight, moving slow-mo. Raise your drinks up, keep your head low. Let's raise a toast to the night we wish would last forever. And past midnight, can't see straight. Yeah, my vision's blurred, my words are slurred and thoughts delayed. Let's raise a toast to a night that we won't even remember. One shot, two shots, I'm drunk, who's not? I just wanna make you feel alive.
That's where we slept.
One drink, two drinks,
Solar panel's going, charging her up. Beautiful.
I just wanna lose myself tonight. And I know I'ma regret it in the morning. I just don't. I just wanna keep it going till the morning.
Made for flipping.
Wow. There we go. Lovely. That's what we wanted, boys. Champion.
Fuck yeah, guys. Is that right there?
That's like butter, eh? That's heaps good. Oh, that's perfect, eh? I couldn't have actually got it any more perfect. So if I can try, that's
Hot dog, we got a wiener.
Damn, that's a lot of meat.
How many people were
Hope
coming?
everyone's hungry, eh? Bro, it's a lot of meat, eh? Fuck, it is. Even that would feed us, eh? And that's only half.
You reckon? Nah, no, I don't reckon
It's like jelly, bro. You go straight through it. Nah, no, that's not.
What are you doing with the back of the knife?
I thought I'd give it a go. Want to try some, mate?
Done.
This doesn't fit mine. Can we figure out a way?
There's actually one on there.
Okay, this is the ride home. Convoy, everyone home.